Good day everybody! Today we are shooting video about filtering machine. This device is extremely popular in our store. We have been producing and selling it since 2012 and we got great feedback about this device for the past years. So filtering machine has stainless steel base, 24 volts pump, European plug which can work with reducer if you live in United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand or other countries. On the top we have two variations of cartridge, which also can be called as a retort. Stainless steel one, fully modular from the both sides, and a plastic one over here. There are no huge amount of disadvantages when you want to use the plastic one. It works absolutely the same as the stainless steel one. Food grade plastic which has thick walls and a great big cap. Stainless steel retort has two adapters on both sides and pipe itself. Also, on one of the adapters there's like a small stainless steel filter which prevents sucking big pieces of carbon, and same thing in the end of this plastic cartridge. Then we have pieces of filtering material. Depending on which cartridge you choose, we put these filters. All of them are designed to prevent sucking small pieces of carbon to the pump. And why a lot of people, distillers, are interested in using this device for filtering alcohol. Firstly, usually in Russia people order this device to decrease unwanted amount of flavor or taste of the tails, which suddenly found in the final product, or maybe equipment is not really good, or even people do not understand how to distill properly. And at this point, this device really helps. Secondly, distillers would like to have more flavor and taste of vodka, so by the contact of the activated coconut carbon, which increasing amount of aldehyde for the proper taste and flavor. This is only for the alcohol which is made of natural spirit. Thirdly, it is very useful to filter usual water for beer brewing, matchmaking, and even dilution alcohol to needed proof or ABV. Let's start Right here I have water from the tap in the office, which is a bit rusty, and for using it is better to filter it. Now we need to take hoses, put them in a jar and turn the switch. As you can see, in the beginning we have carbon dust. You don't need to worry, this is normal. The machine will recycle all the liquid inside and it's going to be absolutely clean in 10 minutes. This happens only when you add fresh portion of carbon to the cartridge. This is result after 10 minutes. So 20 minutes passed and let's check the color of water. Just need to move this. So I just washed these jars and let's take a look at the differences in the color. And water from the office, which wasn't filtered. Oops. As you can see, difference is obvious, so this machine really helps when you need to clean some water. Filtering alcohol is the same process as we just did with water. You need to dilute your alcohol to needed ABV or proof. It has to be percentage which you like at the final product. As example, I take 5 liters of 40% ABV alcohol and filter it with 2 to 5 minutes each liter. So I'm using this machine for 20 minutes. Of course, all of it depends on the quality of alcohol you have. If they're heavy, unwanted flavor and taste, you can filter it with 15 minutes or more each liter. It is easy to control because you can taste it while process is filtering is happening and stop when product got better and you are fine with that. That is for today. I hope you like this video. Please hit the bell notification, like this video and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to ask any question you like and happy distilling!